Well, welcome back. So we've seen the importance of views in YAB. And a view, you'll remember, is just a defined but invisible space to put your stuff. Put your graphics, put your text, and it just defines where things are. But there's another kind of view that is more visible, and it's called a box view. So let's have a look at the details of that. Views, there we go, box view. So it's only got two commands dedicated to it, right? Yeah, box view is a view with a labeled border. And as you can see, it's got a few extra things in here, right? Labels, line type, right? And those have to be added. So let's see what that actually looks like. The other thing is box view set. And you can change the label and you can change the line type afterwards. For some reason, you want to change the emphasis on that box view, take it back into the background a little, and that's how you would do it. Right, so just remember the normal view get still works with the box view. Right, so if you need to get the position or whether it exists or whether it is focused, then that will still work. Right, and so will the option set command. So everything that works with the normal view will also work with the box view. It's just got a few extra squiggles to it. Okay, let's have a look. I wrote a little example program. So what we're going to do here, we're going to open a window, draw some text on the window directly. Then we're going to make a box view, draw some text on that after 5 seconds, then another 5 seconds, and then we draw a second box view. Now the difference between them is this one has a line style of 1, this one has a line style of 2. There's also a line style 0, which gives you no line and just the label. But I don't really see why you would use that. You can just draw the text on a regular view in bold font, but still keep that in mind. But I'm only going to demonstrate line styles 1 and 2. Right, so for line type 1, the box view has a simple line border, and for line type 2, the box view has a fancy line border. Okay, we'll get back to that. So let's play this. Okay, there is your window, and there is your simple line border, and there's the fancy line border. Now, I think those two have been made the wrong way around. I think the The first one is much fancier, it's more three-dimensional than the second one, but that's the way around that it is in the documentation. What can I tell you? Now, what's going to stop you from having a regular view and drawing some lines on it and putting in a little text in bold font? Absolutely nothing. So a box view is just a visual change, a visual way of, putting things together. It doesn't work differently from a regular view. And so on this box view, you would put buttons, you would put a text edit field, anything like that. And it's all sort of held together by this graphical delineation. But for the rest, it just works like any other view. And in fact, if you wanted this label to be on the other side, then you'd have to construct your own view with lines and text. No, or if you want it to be at the bottom, too bad. Okay, so that's it for BOXVIEW. Nice short little lesson today. So go forth and write lots of programs with box views. Thanks for watching.